Bonjour mes amis, la leçon d'aujourd'hui est Demonyms. Hello dear friends, welcome to my French language channel. Hope you are doing great. Today you will study about demonyms or known as genti. And it's not only used for representing a nation, it can be used for representing things and any background. So today's lesson is very important and it's in the context of grammar. So you have to focus on the lesson. It's pretty simple. Hopefully you will learn it. If you have any questions, do drop in the comment section. Let's begin today's lesson. I have wrote some demonyms like American, Mexican, English, French, Spanish, and Indian. I have wrote just it's two types because it's not the for masculine. It's one form is used, and for the feminine background or feminine things, the other form is used. So for every word in English, we just simply say American girl or American boy. So it's not the same case here with French. It is different. So be focused on the spellings and its pronunciation. It's very important. So American is firstly pronounced as written as A-M-E, right side tilted apostrophe R-I-C-A-I-N, and it's pronounced as Américain, Américain, Américain. It's the rules are mentioned here, and it's for all these. So I just wrote it once for male or feminine things, masculine things, and le, and singular things. This form is used. This not this correct spelling and not this pronunciation. This pronunciation and spellings also changes. For feminine, it's the separate pronunciation and separate spelling, and for masculine things or masculine background things, it's the different spelling and different pronunciation. So for masculine things, as you can see, for masculine, like, and for le, and singular, with these three forms, you will use Américain, Américain, A-M-E, right side tilted apostrophe over E, R-I-C-A-I-N, Américain. For female or feminine background things, A-M-E, right side tilted apostrophe, R-I-C-A-I-N-E, and its pronunciation changes. The spelling changes with word. E is added after E, so spelling is not totally different, but its pronunciation becomes American. American. You have to drag the pronunciation of drag the E in the pronunciation, so it will become like American, 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 American. So for American will be used with feminine background things and with un, la, and plural things. For masculine, le, and singular, you will use this form. And for feminine, un, la, plural, you will use this form. E is added. Spelling is no more different, just a slight difference, and its effect will also imply in the pronunciation, so it will become American, American, American. So coming to the second one, same rules are used for the rest one too. For masculine background things, and le, and singular, these are applied. And for the second one, feminine background, un, la, plural, this one is applied. So it's pretty simple. I have just wrote, these are rules, and these are applied on each and every demonym or each and every sentence. So Mexican will be like M-E-X-I-C-A-I-N, Mexican, Mexican. And for feminine, M-E-X-I-C-A-I-N-E, Mexican, 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 Mexican. So it's a bit familiar with English. So Mexican, Mexican. For English, A-N-G-L-A-I-S, only, only. For masculine, le, and singular things, only, A-N-G-L-I-S, and it will be pronounced as only. For feminine and for un, la, and plural, it will be like A-N-G-L-A-I-S-E, ongles, ongle, and ongles. Just a slight difference. You have to drag the effect of E in the pronunciation. So ongle, ongles, and it's used for English. As we say, English men, homme anglais. An English woman, une femme anglaise. So it's Usage and translation, its usage will be covered in the upcoming lessons. For now, you have to learn this difference. So, for English, masculine English, anglais. For feminine, anglaise. Next one is France, not the sign, AIS, and it's used for French. So, forcer. It's used for masculine, le singular. You can see just the feminine thing just brings a sub and a e with everyone, as you can see common here, and with the rest too. And its pronunciation also changes a bit, so it's not different. Hopefully you will get it. It's pretty simple. So forcer and forces. Forces. E is added with this spelling, no different. Forces. For Spanish, when we say Spanish, so it will be like ESPAGNOL, Español. And for feminine or with this form un, la, and plural, ESPAGNOLE, Español. For E, you have just to drag the effect of E. So Español. Next one is IND, and it's used for Indian. So it will be pronounced as Andion. EIN will give a sound of AN. So Andion. And INDIENNE, used for feminine. Same rules are applied. I repeat once more. Andion. Just you have to drag the effect of E in the pronunciation. Just repeat once more. Américaine. Mexican. Anglais, anglaise. Français. Espagnol. Andion. So this was a very simple lesson. Hopefully you get it. Next lesson will cover its usage